Hi, this is Amit Kapoor, Indian watercolorist, and welcome to my workshop. In this workshop, I will going to teach about how to capture the light and shadow, how to make the complex scene, very complex scene in a very simple way. You don't need to go into the details because I will teach you how to make it simplified by capturing the light and shadow, by using the patches and strokes. I have done my bachelor's and master's in fine arts from New Delhi. I am a vice president of International Watercolor Society, which is world's biggest watercolor society, and I am also the founder of Watercolor Society of India. You will learn a lot with my workshop, so just join my workshop and learn how to paint the composition, how to capture the light and shadow in your painting, how to make the subtle colors, how to make the complex scene easy. So just join me and you will really enjoy and learn a lot.